Hey there, Short Shift Trends here. We hope you are doing great. Ever wondered what the perfect first car looks like after getting your license? Let's dive in and find out. This is a question that plagues many new drivers and their parents. So we've done the heavy lifting for you. After collecting and comparing data and scrutinizing reviews, we've compiled a list of top vehicles perfect for new drivers. Getting your driver's license is a milestone. It symbolizes freedom and independence. So choosing your first car isn't just a trivial matter. It's about picking a loyal companion for your road ahead. Our focus is on vehicles that deliver an ideal balance between performance and safety, catering especially to those just starting their driving journey. When it comes to your first car, factors like fuel economy, cost, reliability, and design play a critical role. They shape the overall allure of the car. We're here to propose choices that give you the most bang for your buck. Let's embark on this journey together as we delve into an array of options for your very first car. Whether you're into stylish sedans, compact hatchbacks, sturdy SUVs, or eco-friendly hybrids, we've got you covered. Each vehicle offers a distinct charm and a unique driving experience. Keep in mind, this isn't a lecture, it's a dialogue. Which car do you think will make the list? Share your thoughts in the comments. We can't wait to hear from you. First up on our list is the Honda Civic. This car has been a favorite among new drivers for a long time now, and for good reason. The Civic is known for its affordability. It's a car that won't break the bank, but still provides incredible value for its price. The fuel economy is another strong selling point. The Honda Civic is one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its class. You'll find yourself spending less time at the fuel pump and more time enjoying the open road. But let's not forget about reliability. The Civic has a reputation for being a car that simply runs. It's a car that you can count on to get you where you need to go. Whether you're commuting to work, heading to class, or embarking on a road trip, the Civic won't let you down. And of course, we can't overlook the modern design. The sleek lines and subtle curves make the Civic a car that stands out. It has a certain understated elegance that is both stylish and sophisticated. Plus, the interior is just as impressive, with a high-quality finish and features that are both practical and comfortable. For those seeking a balance between cost and quality, the Honda Civic is a solid choice. It's a car that ticks all the right boxes: affordability, fuel efficiency, reliability, and design. And that's why it's earned a spot on our list. Next on our list, we have the Hyundai Elantra. This compact sedan is a real gem for new drivers thanks to its impressive fuel economy. It's known to deliver up to 40 miles per gallon on the highway, making those long drives a lot less taxing on your pocket. Speaking of budget-friendly, let's talk about the Elantra's price tag. It's one of the most affordable vehicles in its class, without compromising on quality or features. The Hyundai Elantra offers a smooth ride and a comfortable, spacious interior, making it perfect for those daily commutes or weekend getaways. Reliability is another strong suit of the Elantra. Hyundai is known for its dependable vehicles, and the Elantra is no exception. It comes with a top-notch warranty, giving you that extra peace of mind. Plus, its high safety ratings will make you feel secure every time you hit the road. But it's not all about practicality. The Hyundai Elantra also scores high on style. Its sleek design and modern aesthetics are sure to turn heads wherever you go. And let's not forget about its tech-savvy features, like a user-friendly infotainment system and a wealth of active safety features. So if you're a new driver searching for a car that marries style with savings, the Hyundai Elantra could be your ideal match. It's a vehicle that doesn't just meet expectations, but exceeds them. If you're looking for a car that delivers on both style and savings, the Hyundai Elantra might just be your match. Coming up next, we have the ever-reliable Toyota Corolla. This car has been a household name for decades, and for good reason. It's the epitome of reliability, often being handed down from generation to generation. Now let's talk fuel economy. The Corolla is a true champion in this department, delivering an impressive 32 miles per gallon in the city and 42 on the highway. With gas prices on the rise, this kind of efficiency can save you a pretty penny. But what about the price tag? Well, the Corolla remains one of the most affordable sedans on the market. It's the perfect blend of cost-effective and quality, making it an excellent choice for new drivers looking to get the most bang for their buck. Of course, we can't forget about the Corolla's timeless design. Toyota has kept the Corolla fresh with subtle updates over the years, but its core design remains classic and universally appealing. It's a car that feels at home, whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at a trendy downtown cafe. And lastly, it's worth mentioning that the Corolla comes packed with features. From its advanced safety systems to its user-friendly infotainment setup, This car brings a lot to the table for new drivers. For those who value reliability and efficiency, the Toyota Corolla never disappoints. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Mazda 3. This sleek compact car is an excellent blend of efficiency and style, perfect for new drivers who want to make a statement on the road without breaking the bank. The Mazda 3 is known for its impressive fuel economy. With its Sky-Active technology, the Mazda 3 can reach up to 35 miles per gallon on the highway, making it a standout choice for those long drives or daily commutes. The car's reasonable price tag also adds to its appeal. Despite its high-end feel and advanced features, the Mazda 3 typically falls within the budget of a first-time car buyer. In terms of reliability, the Mazda 3 doesn't disappoint. Known for its durability, it's one of those cars that just keeps going. Plus, with a high safety rating and features like automatic emergency braking and lane-keeping assist, it gives new drivers an added layer of confidence on the road. But it's not all about practicality. The Mazda 3 is also a fun ride. Its sporty design turns heads, and its responsive handling makes you feel connected to the road, adding a touch of excitement to each journey. But what really sets it apart is its interior. The Mazda 3 offers a surprisingly luxurious cabin, filled with high-quality materials and a user-friendly infotainment system. If you're after a car that combines fun and functionality, the Mazda 3 could be the one for you. And there you have it, 4 fantastic cars that make great choices for new drivers. Let's do a quick recap. We started off with the Honda Civic, a car known for its reliability and fuel efficiency. It's a car that won't let you down and won't break the bank at the gas pump. And let's not forget its sleek design that is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Then we moved on to the Hyundai Elantra, a car that offers great value for money. It has a reasonable price tag and has proven to be a dependable ride over the years. Plus, its stylish design and comfortable interior make it a joy to drive. Next up, we talked about the Toyota Corolla, a car that has stood the test of time. Known for its unbeatable reliability and impressive fuel economy, the Corolla is a smart choice for any new driver. It's a car that won't let you down and will keep your wallet happy. Finally, we discussed the Mazda 3, a car that combines performance and affordability. It's fun to drive, economical on fuel, and comes with a price tag that won't leave you reeling. Its sleek design and impressive features make it a top pick for anyone looking to make a great first impression. Remember, when choosing your first car, it's important to consider 4 main factors: fuel economy, price, reliability, and looks. These cars all tick these boxes and then some. They're not just vehicles. They're your ticket to freedom, your companion on the road, and a statement of who you are. And that's all for today's video. We'd love to hear from you. What will be your first car after getting your license? Let us know in the comments. We hope you have enjoyed our video. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel for more content. It would be very appreciated. For now, keep shifting gears with us. See you in the next video.